Here we're looking at the 2015 MacBook Air made by Apple. And I want to say that I've owned this computer for over 4 years now. It still runs great. I mean, to this day, with the operating system, I'm using Mojave. Still runs really good on the internet. My software, photos, videos. I recommend this computer. Considering this an older computer, it still runs fine. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.